seconds with Femi, correct pidgin yannings. Now what they do, and what they look today. Now all the things will happen for UEFA Champions League on Tuesday and on Wednesday. The one will happen on Tuesday. The big thing there, we say Liverpool then qualify, and that man Mohamed Salah, it be like say we done the suspect say that thing Obonga from when you knock everybody last season. It be like say that form done they come back, and Alisson Becker will be Liverpool goalkeeper. That guy for that game, he got one kind of save where he make see the save this save now correct Obonga save. Even Jurgen Klopp, the coach of Liverpool, he say like say no, say this guy good like this, saying for pay times 2 the money when take pay collect this guy from your former club. Make we talk about the one wey happen on Wednesday. We don't know whether now the loss where Real Madrid lost 3-0 to CSK Moscow. Now in the embarrassing pass, so I've been at the one where Juventus lose to Young Boys. But me at the suspension that Real Madrid own 3-0 against CSK Moscow. Home and away they lose to CSK Moscow for Champions League this season. Despite the fact that CSK Moscow now bottom 9 day. These now the teams will qualify for the round of 16 for Champions League. How you think say your team go do for the next round for Champions League? Who you expect say your team go face for UEFA Champions League round of 16?